Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today we're going to show you how to embed a video and also how to add a picture to a page or a post on connect.dataczar.com. So the first thing we want to do is get logged into Dataczar. Let's go to dataczar.com and we're going to log in here. Let me get my email address and password. And voila, we're on our dashboard. I'm going to go ahead and go full screen on this. And the first thing we do is we're going to go from dashboard to website. And this is where our editing tools are. So click on website. We have post, pages, and settings. If we wanted to add a video or a picture to a post, you would go to your post, you would click the edit button. Scroll down, and this is where you would do it in the main body. Today we're going to add these to our pages, so we're going to click on pages up here, and we're going to go to our home index page, and we're going to edit this. We're going to scroll down, how to embed a video. Why don't we just add it right here, and we're going to center that. So you see the embed insert media icon to the right. It's the last icon. You're going to click on this. Then you're going to add your URL. You need a YouTube URL for adding a video. So I'm pasting that in. So there's my YouTube URL. I'm going to click OK. And there it is. The video is now embedded. And then I want to make sure that I click Update. And then I can go back to pages, and then I'm going to go ahead and add the picture next. Let's go ahead and just take a look. This is another screen I have preloaded. I'm going to refresh it, and there shows the video that's been added to the website. So let's go back to Connect. This time we're going to add a picture. So I'm going to go to Pages. We could do it on Posts, but we're doing it on Pages. We're going to go to Edit. Then we're going to scroll down. This is where we added the video. So how to add a picture, why don't we add it right here. We're going to center this. And then we're going to click on this Insert Image icon. It's the second to the right. And then we're going to need to find our file. So we're going to upload image. And we're going to choose a file on our computer. So let's go to my AA webinars, and we're going to choose this rainbow picture. We're going to upload that. Okay, so that's uploaded. We're going to be selecting that. So let's go ahead and just go back 1 second here. We'll go through that one more time. You click on that. Then you upload your image. So our image is uploaded. Let's click select. And we're going to do dimensions. We're going to do 50% rather than full. And I'm going to click OK. And it's loading right now. And there it is. Now always make sure to click update. And the picture is up. The picture is updated and loaded. So let's go back to the website. We're going to refresh it. And now we have both the video and the picture. Let's play the video. And that works perfectly. So let's go back to dataczar.com. We're going to go back to our dashboard. And that's it. That's how you're going to embed a video or add a picture to connect.dataczar.com.